Apple is shaking things up with the iPhone 17 Air, or should we say slimming things down? A new leak just dropped, showing what could be the case for Apple's upcoming ultra-thin iPhone, and it's got people talking. The most eye-catching part: a massive camera bar stretching across the back, completely replacing the usual camera bump. For years, Apple has stuck with subtle refinements, but the iPhone 17 series could finally break the cycle. The iPhone 17 Air, also rumored to be called the iPhone 17 Slim, is set to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5mm thick. That's a big drop from the iPhone 16's 7.8mm and the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 8.25mm. But that thin profile might come with some trade-offs. Reports suggest Apple could remove the physical SIM card slot worldwide, expanding its eSIM-only approach beyond the US. And then there's the question of battery life. Can Apple fit a battery that lasts all day into such a slim design? The leaked case image suggests Apple is ditching its traditional camera layout for a continuous camera bar that spans the entire back. Not only does this make the phone look more symmetrical, but it also means no more annoying wobbling when the phone is placed on a table. Rumors suggest this camera bar design could even extend to the Pro models in the iPhone 17 lineup. Love it or hate it, Apple seems to be going all in on this new look. So, it's thin and stylish, but what about the tech inside? Some reports suggest Apple might drop mmWave 5G support for this model, which could impact high-speed connectivity in certain regions. However, the 6.6-inch display remains mostly unchanged, keeping it just slightly smaller than the iPhone 16 Plus. That means you'll still get a big, vibrant screen for gaming, streaming, and productivity. The leaked case image comes from Sonny Dixon, a well-known Apple leaker with a solid track record. He accurately revealed the iPhone 16 screen sizes way before they were officially announced. But as always, leaks should be taken with a grain of salt. Accessory makers often work with early CAD designs that might not match the final product. The iPhone 17 Air could be one of the biggest design overhauls Apple has made in years. A thinner body, a fresh camera bar, and possibly no SIM card slot. It's a bold move, but will it be practical? Battery life, durability, and network compatibility are all big question marks. So, what do you think? Are you excited for this ultra-thin iPhone, or are you worried about the potential downsides? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates.